This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Claudia Magdalena Dybala. Fully furnished condo gated 24H community 5 minutes to Madeira/Redington Beach. Heated pool, fitness center, tennis courts and grill area. 2 beds with split floor plan with 2 master suites both with walk-in closets and 2 full baths with large garden tubs and showers in BeachWay Condominium Complex. It has a full-size washer and dryer. Fully equipped unit with modern new furniture, large flat-screen TV in family room and TV in master room. This residence has a private screen balcony Florida room. Excellent location near beaches, forest preserves, golf courses, walking distance to restaurants and shopping center. 15 minutes to St Petersburg, 20 minutes to Clearwater Beach.